Hey everybody, welcome back. It's day 145. It's my family here. We're just hanging out at the park. One with nature again. I guess you could say one with nature part 3. So we're gonna try something here. I hate to rip the leaf off the branch, but we're gonna try something here, okay? Follow me here. Come back a little bit. Go back. Ready? Watch.
Wow. That's cool. It was kind of dark.
You see that?
Yeah, that was awesome.
Here, JD, hold your hand out. Like this. Up, like that. Watch. No, hold it like this. Don't grab it. Just hold it like that. Open. Don't move. Don't move.
Awesome.
Let's do it. That's it for today. One with nature part 3. I hope you guys enjoyed that. We'll see you tomorrow for day 146.
Peace.